standing out front of this luxury listing in Newtown Square, Pennsylvania. Here's your street view. We're on 3rd Ave, very close to the high school. So walking distance to the high school. Okay, this is new construction. And we're going to take a look in. Okay. Get my shoes off because I don't want to damage these beautiful hardwood floors that they installed. So bear with me for a second. Okay. Entry. All right. Leads right into your family room. So I'll back up. You can get a better look. Okay, very nice. You have gas fireplace, which I had on a little earlier. Let's see if it kicks right on. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to kick on. Closets here for your guests. If your guests come in and want to hang up, their clothes and whatnot, or I'm sorry, they want to hang up their coats and whatnot. Your dining room. Okay. All right, that fireplace did just kick on. So see if you can get all right, good look there. Okay. Dining. And then beautiful kitchen. Nice center island, quartz countertops. Here's your gas stovetop. And you have your sink, dishwasher, double oven. You have a little bar over here, which is a nice feature. I always like that. Gotta love the bar. And your massive pantry where we're storing all your food. Your powder room right here off the kitchen. Okay. And another shot of that bar. Okay. So just imagine yourself up here in your kitchen, cooking, which I love to do. And you're here, you got your eyes on all your guests, able to entertain right here from your kitchen. Don't worry about the refrigerator, they will put one in. Downstairs, this is one of my favorite parts of the house, your finished basement. So we'll head down to your lower level. And another place to entertain. So the basement is walkout. Okay. More entertainment space. Utilities are hidden in those closet doors. You have some outdoor entertaining. Have a decent sized backyard. I would say perfect sized backyard for someone like myself and my family. Okay. And here's your attached one-car garage that you saw in the front of the house. So you do have a nice long driveway where your guests can definitely pull up, and then got another little closet here. Okay. Go up to the second floor where your bathroom and your bedrooms are, and then obviously your primary with the ensuite. Okay, so up the stairs you have a bedroom here to my right. Here is bedroom 1. Okay. Bedroom is decent size, I would say. It's not huge, but it's big enough. Closet. Here's bedroom 2. I'd say roughly the same size. And if you need dimensions, I can try and get that from the listing agent. Okay. And second floor laundry. Okay, so you're all set up here for your electric dryer, washer. And mechanicals in that room, or I'm sorry, through that closet. Here's your full hall bath. Sorry for the lighting. Sometimes it takes some time for the camera to adjust. But you guys get a sense of the space. So here's your full bath. Now we're into the primary suite. Very nice. Now the builder for this property won Best Builder 2024-2025 in Conshohocken. So the builder has taken his talents out to Newtown Square and is bringing you this this new construction home. And it is very nice, very tasteful. Okay, your floating tub. Nice, large walk-in shower. Got your bench in there for those of you who like to sit down while you shower and kind of relax a little bit. They say your kitchens and your bathrooms really sell the house, so did a good job here. Okay. So, good job, Mr. Builder. You one more look. All right. So I'll provide more information down in the description for those of you who are interested. List price, $835. So not bad. Just one more look at that fireplace, that gas fireplace. Now that it's all, okay, there you go. Okay, exposed brick, just painted over. So that's a nice touch there. So, yeah, those of you who are interested, you know the deal, or you know the drill. If you're taking out a loan, obviously you got to get pre-approved. I don't show anyone houses without being able to prove to the buyer that you have the funds to make the purchase. So if you want to schedule a tour, you are interested, or you know someone that is interested, let me know. We're Newtown Square, very close to the high school, very, you're definitely walking distance, and list price is $835, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, new construction, 1 car attached garage, very good location, very walkable. So let me know, and if you're a cash buyer, just need proof of funds, and I will accommodate showing. So stay tuned, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video.